Hey guys, it's Kyla from the MJC, and today we are going to look at the party's approval of the findings of fact, conclusions of law, and judgment without minor children, one of our very last forms in the Without Children Part 2. Before I get into it, as always, just a reminder, nothing in the video is intended to be legal advice because it's a video, so I can't analyze your specific situation. If you do need legal advice, you can get legal advice for free here in Milwaukee County through the Marquette Volunteer Legal Clinics. If you aren't located in Milwaukee County, you can contact your clerk of court to find out what resources are available in your area. All right, so let's hop into this form. The great news about this one is it is a very short form. So we're going to put the county up at the top. Here we are going to put the name of either joint petitioner A, if you guys started as joint petitioners, or the petitioner if you started separately. So, as you guys have heard me say a lot, the names should be in the order that they were in on the original petition. And again, you guys have been doing captions. If you've watched this whole video series, you've done lots of captions. So you know the order of the names. It's going to be the order that we expect it to be. You'll check divorce or legal separation. Again, this should be consistent throughout your paperwork. And you're going to put in your case number. Oh, and make sure I don't have too many numbers there. And then all you have to do on this one is fill in the signature blocks. I know, pretty simple, right? You just do the caption, and then you're going to put your information down here, and you are done. So we'll put in Jane's information and her address. And her email address. EDU and the phone number down here. Again, if you are e-filing, you'll do your electronic signature and your date as well. Those of you who are paper filing, who I assume will be most of you, then you'll wait till you print this out to sign and date. Or if you're following along on a paper copy and you've been handwriting, then you can sign and date at this point. And then same thing, we will put in the respondent or joint petitioner B's information down here. And keep an eye out, because I know the attorney lines can be confusing. Make sure you are in the line that's for respondent, joint petitioner B, and up here. This should actually be petitioner, so there's a flaw in the forms. I know, I'm shocked too. But this is our petitioner or joint petitioner A, so don't let that confuse you. If you are a petitioner, you'll be in this line. And I guess I'll put John's middle name since I have been. And we'll go down here. Which is in Milwaukee. And then we'll put John's email address. For those of you who are filing separately, obviously if you're filing jointly, you're going to know your ex's email, or if you don't, they'll put it when they sign this. But for those of you who are going separately, if you're not sure about the other person's email address, just go ahead and leave that line blank. Ideally, if you do have it, or if you can find it, you want to put it in. But if you don't have it, you should be able to turn it in without the email on it. All right, so that is all for this form. Not too difficult. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. We have one more form, and that is the abridgment regarding surname, and then you will be done with your part 2. Thank you all for watching. If you do have questions, we're always available in room G9 of the Milwaukee County Courthouse for either more help with the forms, or we can also send you in the right direction to get some legal advice. Thanks again for watching, and I hope that you all go out and represent yourselves well.